And guys, okay, kumustahin natin kung ano nang nangyari dito sa airport, sa NAIA Terminal 3. Here's something new at the airport sa level 3. Level 3 na po yung food hall. Ito yung Paris Baguette. Ganyan na siya. Sa 4th floor, wala na pong food hall except kasi nagsara na rin si KFC, nagsara na rin yung iba doon, pati si Mary Grace, naglipat na pala sila dito. Andyan na siya sa level 3. Level 2, sorry. Kasi yung level 3 is departure, no? So Mama Luz, hindi pa po nagbubukas. Si Mary Grace, pagsara niya sa taas, sabay bukas. Dito po sa level 2. Jayco. Ito na yung Jayco's. J-Cool. Ayan. And then, Watami, doon po. Ayan, si Paris Baguette. Meron pa doon, may Chili's. Oo. So, I don't know kung saan yung mga iba pa. O, kasi, ang dami talaga renovation, bongga. Opo. Okay, so this is the new Jayco. Ito po, this is the newly renovated airport. And guys, very busy pa rin, very busy. Pero sa taas, ano na lang natira doon? Yung pinakadulo na lang po. Parang isa-dalawa na lang ang pwedeng makainan doon. So, lahat nandito na siya sa second level. At yan po yung arrival. Sa arrivals po, sa baba. Ayan, busy pa rin. Ang departures doon po sa second level. Opo, na we just skipped kasi we took the elevator. Elevator na lang po. Looking for my order para mag-dine-in po tayo dito. So, makaupo, makapag-relax. Ayan po. Nothing is sweeter than the togetherness we share. Ay, ewan, wala ako ka-together. Paano? Nagmadali naman kasi si Sir Cloud eh. O, Jayco Reserve. Ito na po. Ayan na po. Okay. What's inside? Tingnan natin. Hindi yung ano hindi ako nag-cappuccino Yan. May heart din yan. Tapos itong isa, kukunin ko po yung isa dyan. Which is pistachio. Diba? Ano nakalagay dyan? Ayan Wow, yung Jayco pala sa Bali, sa Jakarta, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, Philippines, Hong Kong, and Saudi Arabia. Yun po. Best to consume within 24 hours after purchase. So, ubusin na ito. Kaya maganda, 3 lang. Ayan, 3 lang po. Oo, kasi dapat 6. Pero mas maganda yung 3, diba? 3-an. Jayco's fish and chips. Chips ba yan? Chips and fries. Yan si Beerman kasi. Kaya dito sa airport meron talagang beer. May kali pala. Ayan. Gusto mo ng kali? Oo. Non-alcoholic naman siya, no? I've taken or drunk. Na-try ko naman po yung kali. Diba? Feeling good. Ayan, Angel's Pizza. Meron din pong Angel's Pizza. Mamaya na at may lalakad. Ayan po.
Dito, supaya.
Ikutin natin. Watami. Tsaka yan Bank of Commerce. San Miguel Beer talaga. Ayan. Chili's. Meron po dito Chili's. Watami. Ayun Apple. Parang sarado pa naman sa taas, of course. Dahil Beerman, si Ramon Ang, ayan, meron siya talaga 1 extra strong beer. Chowking. Tingnan natin kung bukas na po yung Chowking. O, iikutin ko pa siya. Hello there, my pancake house. O, dati po sa taas, pero now, baka nandito na rin po sa second floor. Opo, kasi under renovation pa po yung 4th floor. Yan, Seattle's Best, meron na rin po. And then Paris Baguette, yung bumaba ako doon kanina. Ayun, sige. Ayan, let's check. Oo, may Kenny Rogers. Baka this side. Oo, yun, may Nanyang na pala dito. Popeye, straight ahead daw. Okay, ayan, sige. Check natin, ha. Uy, marami na doon. O, ito Watami. Tapos Nanyang. Ay, bread talk na pala. Ayan na ang bread talk. Very good. Angel's Pizza, open na. Yung Popeyes, nandun na po. Okay, marami na dito sa second floor. So, pag pumunta kayo ng airport, ng NAIA Terminal 3, dito lang po kayo sa second floor for the food court. Ayun, tingnan natin doon sa may unahan. May Banapol na. Banapol is open here on the second floor. Yung Angel's Pizza also. LA Chips Hot Chicken. Ito yung Pancake House. Hindi pa nagbubukas. Ayun na ang Seattle's Best, guys. Yung KFC, nandun na po. Oo. Sarap mag-chow. Nandun nakalagay. Banapol is here. Okay. Ikot tayo dyan. UCC soon. Pero hindi pa talaga kumpleto. Anyways, ready na talaga yung bread talk. Siyempre, kukuha tayo ng pork floss, spicy chicken floss. Ito, premium floss. Iba na rin ang price. Dati mga 50 something lang. Ngayon, no? Ayan. Yan, gusto yan ni Baby Cloud, yung pillow raisin. Spring in the City. Yan, 80 pesos each. Tapos Apple Rocky. Apple Rocky and eto, coffee ball. Sige. Ito sa side, we get the lalagyan. Okay, and we get one of those. Discount ko lang. Thank you. Pa rin. Uy, parang hindi ko siya na-taken. Hindi ko nakuhanan yata yung Dignitaries Lounge at saka yung government service. Yung Manila International Airport in the 1960s. Ganyan pa lang siya. Ganyan po. Tapos, this one was the redevelopment. During Marcos time pala, yung kay President Ferdinand Marcos, he was the one who ordered the construction and the redevelopment of the MIA after the fire. Nagkaroon pala ng fire. For the new MIA terminal building under construction in the late 1970s. So, ayun, 1960s. Ito, 1970s. Okay. Ayan, that's a picture of the 1950s na Manila International Airport. Ibang-iba po talaga. With the abolition of National Airport Corporation in 1951, ownership and management of the airport fell to the Civil Aeronautics Administration or CAA under the Department of Commerce and Industry. So in 1956, the CAA was transferred to the Department of Public Works, Transportation and Communications. The first 13 years of the airport were marked by the building of infrastructure dedicated to international flights. International runway and associated taxiway were built in 1953, and 1961 saw the completion of a control tower and a terminal building for the exclusive use of international passengers at the southwest intersection of the runways. This system came to be officially known as the MIA. On March 4, 1982, the MIA division under the Bureau of Air Transportation was abolished by Executive Order 778. In its place, the MIA-A was created and vested with the power to administer and operate the MIA. Ayan na po. Ayan. So, may history din pala, no? Dito. So, ayan na yung ano niya, oh. Ayan, yung International Airport. Alright. Ayan. Nichols. Ayan, Nichols Base. Operations. And ito. Ayan. Ayan. Philippine Airlines or PAL used Neilson Field, named after Laurie Neilson, a New Zealand businessman who proposed the construction of the airfield under the aegis of Don Enrique Zobel. Yan po ang Neilson Field na nandoon po sa may Ayala Triangle. So, si Don Enrique Zobel. So, PAL began in 1931 as the Philippine Air Taxi Corporation or PATCO, a cargo service owned by American mining companies operating in the Philippines. PATCO went bankrupt in 1940 but was bought in 1941 by a group that included the wealthy industrialist Andres Soriano Sr. Yun, mga Soriano talagang ano yan sa mga airplane. Ayan pala, ang original na ngayon po ay ano na yan, doon sa Ayala Triangle. Naging restaurant na po ngayon. So, ayan na siya. Closed na po lahat na nandito sa taas. Ito na lang po actually yung natitira. Ay yung tenya. At saka yung sa dulo po is racks, ribs. Okay. Yan na lang po ang natitira. Yung ribs and steak, chicken, seafood pasta. Ayan na lang siya. The rest, andun na po sa second floor. Pero marami na rin po sila doon. So, let's go home na. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Newport World Resorts. So, this is the Runway Manila Footbridge. Linked to Newport World Resorts and Hotels. Ayan. That's the airport parking area. Not so busy anyway. Ayan. Oo, going in and out. Okay na. So, this is the place where the action is right now. Where the Philippines is hosting the W or JWCH or the Junior World Championship for Artistic Gymnastics 2025. Flying. Where's that? Oh my gosh. There. The Cebu Pacific and the Air Asia. And then going out of Newport City are those cars with red light because it's of course their bumper. Back lights. Ayun, how do you call that? Rear lights of those that are going out of Newport. So, Horizon is there. Newport World Resorts, nakalagay po sa taas. And Sheraton Hotel. Tapos Hotel Ukura, somewhere there. Marriott is there. Yung ballroom. That's the hotel. The ballroom is somewhere here. That's the site. Oh, that's the big, the giant tent which they built for just a few days. Okay, which is the venue for the stretching area, the practice area of the gymnasts. And then this portion here will be a future development for another condominium. Okay.